Hi guys, it's me once again, Chuck. I hope you didn't forget me. I took little time to make another video this time. I hope you didn't forget me, huh? So this time what I'm trying to say is, our society needs some heroes. Don't you think? By heroes I don't only mean men, huh? Even women. Our society needs some heroes. Now let's take an example of a recent incident. Like there was this kid that was going to be kidnapped. Did you see that video? I think a CCTV video footage was released. Two people on the bike came and they tried to pick a kid. But the mother came charging. Ek diya, left, right diya. She took her kid. But what happened next is what really encouraged me, I can tell you. This one fellow saw the people running and coming, and he parked his bike right in the middle of the road. And he tried to stop them. Now, that person's bike fell down, he fell down. The second fellow ran away. The person who fell down also got up and started running, but his bike remained there. I am sure that person would have got caught. So I was very happy about the bravery this person showed by putting his Activa in the middle of the road and trying to catch the people who were trying to kidnap. So that's what I'm trying to say. We need genuine people in our society, and we can be one of them. Now take an example of some actors from the film industry. There are some really genuine people. Like I got to know about Sonu Sood's contribution. He's been helping out, but I don't think he's publicizing about it anywhere. People who came to know told people about it, but I don't think he was making a big ruckus about it anywhere. No. He's helping people. Then I'm not only talking about Bollywood, all over. Now, have you heard of Bon Jovi? It's my life, it's now or never. So yeah, have you heard about a restaurant? He has a restaurant. Now here, he has a policy. This particular place is specially for the people who cannot afford costly meals at restaurants. So what he has done is, he serves people for free. In return for what? Just do something good in the restaurant. Like if you can do the dishes, or if you can serve someone else on the table. Sounds a little weird, but if you think about it, it's a good thing. I think so. Kya bolta hai? So I encourage you to invest. Invest where? In people, in places. You should be like a blessing. ऐसा मेरा सोचना है. I know there are many people out there like me. You should be a blessing for people. Like there are so many people who need your help, but sometimes we just shut our eyes and walk away, no? I'm not saying we have to go around throwing money on the streets, hello, like Jesse from Breaking Bad. No, don't do that, huh? Very bad. Yeah, the money can fall in wrong hands also, huh? Saying that a small help from you can be a very big blessing for someone. There could be someone who needed some money only for that particular day to eat food, and you help them out. For you, it was a small thing, giving out 300 rupees, 150 rupees. Good thing, nah? Small thing for you, but that could have helped someone's life, I think. So think about it. Like deep. These are deep things. Yeah. Then there are some kind of people who actually live to suck the living blood out of people. Scavengers, man. Scavengers. You know scavengers, no? It's like one person's loss is another person's gain. Some people are actually living and earning based on the fear of another person. Like you remember that person with the hand sanitizer when quarantine began? So many bottles, thousands of bottles he purchased, and then he started selling it for triple the rate. Some people might have thought, dimag lagaya banda, kya dimag lagaya? This is the time you're supposed to help people, no? Not be like a zakun chusne wala machhar banega kya? Is this how we humans were created? No. How far have we come? There are good people, I believe, I agree. But what about the others? Don't even talk about those child abusers. I don't even want to go there. Thinking about the topic only, my blood starts boiling inside. You can make omelette on my skin. It starts boiling so much, What is this thing? Why are people always comparing things with others, right? मेरा गाड़ी तेरे से अच्छा है, मेरा पप्पा तेरे से अच्छा है, and now मेरा तो मास्क भी तेरे से अच्छा है. Seriously, get a life. अच्छा है. If someone would ask me, what is the best thing that happened to you during this season? I would say, I got a chance to look at people and myself also very clearly. What have I done? What are others doing? Taking a pause, getting a break has made me realize and think and see how I am, how people are, how I have behaved and how I should. क्या बोलता है? ऐसा खराब बन के घूमने का नहीं ना. Help your neighbors, love your neighbors. All these things we are learning only, no? Since childhood we are learning, no? Apply it, no? Now is the time when we get to apply, रे. Not in hypothetical situations always. Now we can apply, no? तो करेगा, help करेगा, कुछ करेगा. सीखेगा ना अपन लोग. We'll do something. चलो, signing off, Chuck.